back to my channel. I have this little trinket mold here, and I have a Let's Resin translucent blue and Let's Resin opaque blue. My heat mat was on, it should be cooled down. I have 3.5 ounces of resin mixed up, and I'm going to take this translucent one. I did what, 7 drops of that. Let me see how that mixes up. You really want to mix this up good. I'm just going off the side of my cup. Looks good. Okay. Now we're going to go with the opaque. Let's do 6 drops. Let's see how that works. Not opaque enough. 1, 2, 3. Let's try 3 more. I could go a little bit more opaque, but yeah, let me do a little bit more. 1, 2, 3. All right, that's good. No more pigments. I have made the one, the honeybee one, and hoping my granddaughters like them. So the reason I keep pulling it off, that's not too warm. Okay. Got my little metal stick here, and what do I want to put in this? This one I got, what are these? They look like hearts. Let's drop some in there. Let's have fun. Okay, got some hearts. And let's drop some of this in there. It's like mylar. Mix that up. Let's go with a little bit more mylar. There we go. Looks good. Now in this one, I have some fine glitter. Dump that in. And I have some of this glitter. Dump that in. And let's mix. So pretty. Isn't that pretty? Let's add some hearts to that one too. Why not? Let's go crazy. All right. Close these up so my desk isn't getting covered in mylar flakes and stuff. All right. Mix that up. Okay. Now I'm going to put this down. Put this down. And now we are going to pour at the same time. It's looking so pretty. Okay, let's pour it in the lid. That glitter's really sitting in the bottom, boy. Looks pretty though. Let's fill this up. Let me get this. And let's finish it with this. And let's see what we got going on over here. I want to make sure I get this in here. Okay, let's see. Let me get this little stick. I like these little sticks here. And I can see that there's a bubble there. And a bubble over here. Get in there. You see that bubble right there? Come on out. There you go. And I'm going to take this and I'm going to... Okay, and I will see you at demold. Looks good. See you at demold. We're going to demold, and I want to start with the lid. See how this turned out. I did not turn my heat mat on for this at all. Oh, that turned out nice. Look at the little, can you see the little hearts and stuff in there? Oh, none back here, but they sunk to the top. I like that. I really like that. That looks nice. It's got the little edge. Okay, let's do this. I might have to put some, I shouldn't have to put any alcohol in. It's kind of bendy still. So we will try, because it's, like I said, I did not turn my heat mat on, so I hope I don't deform this. It's not real bendy, but let me get that out. Pop this back in. Oh, that turned out so nice. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? I love these little boxes. Look how pretty that turned out. That glitter is just popping. Did I get any bubbles, air bubbles? I swear these gloves, they really gotta pull them on. I'm wearing them because I have a cut on this finger. And Yeah, no bubbles. This turned out beautiful. Look at that glitter. I mean, just gorgeous. Now, I want to add some stuff to this. Of course I do. I have some butterflies here that I painted. I really like that. And I might put one there. Should I do the pink and the blue, or just the blue? Or should I come on this side? I'm hoping that my granddaughters would want it. Or should I do it on the sides? One here, one there, and one there. No, I like it without the butterflies. I like it just like it is. I think the butterflies take from it. Yeah, I really like this. I mean, I really like this. I'm not going to keep the lid on because it's not fully cured yet. And because it's not fully cured, the lid could actually cure itself to it. So you want to store it without the lid on. But yeah, I really like this. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Do you like it? I like it. I want to thank you for hanging out with me today. And I hope to see you soon. And if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. And you have a great day, and God bless. Bye.